Hey everyone, it's Sameer Khedekar, the tech visa lawyer. I want to talk today about speaking engagements and do they or do they not help with the EB-1 process? This is such a common question I get in one of the hundreds of EB-1 consults that I do, always getting this question. So if you think about it, if you're being invited to speak at a conference, you're keynoting or you're highlighting a panel or something like that, it's kind of an honor and it's a big deal, right? It should reflect positively on you. But for the EB-1, it doesn't really help, especially for those that are in tech or in business, finance, that kind of stuff, because it doesn't really apply to any one of the EB-1 categories. And so because we can't necessarily and cleanly fit it into one of the criterion, it doesn't really help with the first step of the EB-1 process, which is making sure that you meet a minimum of at least 3 criteria. So the way that it can help is in the second step. Once we've established that you meet one of the 3 criteria, then we have to kind of show that all the evidence put together, the totality of the evidence, right, supports the claim that you are at the very top of your field. And that's when we can include evidence like speaking engagements. You've been asked to, speak at conferences where only experts are asked to do so, and things like that. We can kind of provide that sort of evidence to support the narrative that you are a thought leader. But before that, they really don't help. So one of the things that we do is that we will request all the information that we need from you to meet those 3 categories. And then, once we figure out that there's some pieces of evidence like the speaking engagements that don't help, we'll make sure to reserve that over for the second step. Any questions? Feel free to let me know. info@banyan.law. Thank you.